Ji, President Mohapatra constituency, all other eminent leaders, and my fellow Pravasi Odias in Bangalore. First of all, I would like to thank Sangram Ji for organizing such a beautiful get-together for all Odia communities around Bangalore. Secondly, I would like to thank all the people of Karnataka who have stood with us in all these situations throughout the years for supporting all 15 organizations to form in Bangalore. So, OIC, as the name suggests, Odia Youth Committee. It's formed with a motto, with an objective. We thought there are 7 lakh people around Bangalore, 7 lakhs Odia people, and most of them are staying in Marthali area. So we thought of coming up with something which will bring together all the youths in that area and connect to the society and give back to the society. So that's our objective, bringing all the youths together. So as everyone says, whenever you start something, start with a puja. So Subhasya Sri Ganesh. So we started with a Ganesh Puja in 2015. We didn't think of whether people will come or not, but yes, people supported us and came to our function. Then we gained some trust, that people have some trust on us. Then we thought of, as our motto says, that giving back to the society. So we started some social work, like going to the orphanages. We thought that donating, because people have money, they can donate, they can do everything. But donating doesn't mean that you can do the social work. So we thought, let's go there, spend some time there, give happiness to the underprivileged children in the orphanages. So we did that. Then, as our beloved Prime Minister, Sri Modi ji, has started this mission of Swachh Bharat, Swachhata is Seva. So we started doing Swachh Bharat Abhijan in our own premises, Sri Jagannath Temple, in 2016, October 2nd. Then, the next year, 2017, this recently in October 2nd, people have requested us, why don't you do it in your area like Kundanahali Junction? So we did it there. Because people have trust on us, we can bring together all the youths, do something for the society. Because you know, in India, more than 60% people are youth. So if you can bring together all the youths, you can do wonders. I believe, and all our team believes, that if all the youths go together, they can do fabulous stuff. As I was saying, visuals always speak better than words. So let's have some 1-minute video about what we have done. And I'd like to request Jyoti Bhai to play the video. Start from. Okay. like to thank Jyoti Bhai and Ashish Bhai for organizing such a beautiful event, and hopefully we'll be together again with all communities around the Bangalore. Thank you.
Thank you so much.